first home tour. So, guys, these beautiful homes, I love beautiful homes. So, I really want to show you all that how beautiful homes look like and उसके पीछे क्या what people think कि कैसे बनाना चाहिए and what they love about it. So, this is like I'm gonna give you my first home tour. So, this is my home I'm gonna start with. So as you can see, this is blue, dark blue door. So we want something which is like way beautiful, थोड़ा सा darkish में हो. Entry थोड़ी सी different चाहिए थी. We want something pop-up to be done. So we have started like to give it a blue, everything blue with a little bit of golden light. As you can see. तो ये, as you can see, ये है हमारा shoe rack. This we have kept our shoes inside. And ये छोटा सा beautiful सा bowl with a lot of beautiful flowers for the beautiful smell. अच्छी सी smell रहनी चाहिए घर में. And as you can see, this is another flat of someone else, and this is our lift. And these are the stairs. Like we are कहीं ऊपर नीचे जाने के लिए, if you don't want to use lift, so we can use the. If you don't want to use the lift, so we can use the stairs. Now, guys, अंदर चलते हैं. Let's get inside. Let's start with this onyx beautiful Buddha wall. We love Buddha and this is onyx. तो ये टेबल की स्टोरी ये है कि मुझे ये टेबल बहुत पसंद आई थी and I really wanted to recreate with some other color. Like वो जो कलर मुझे टेबल मुझे पसंद आई थी वो ब्लू और रेड की थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कलर था बट वो मुझे पसंद था एंड आई रियली वांट समथिंग टू लुक लाइक दिस थोड़ा सा बेज कलर में आए तो मैंने इस उस टेबल को बनवाया एंड सी सो ब्यूटीफुल कितना अच्छा कलर इसका निकल के आया है सो इसमें जो कलर हुए हैं ना इस घर में पूरे वुडन कलर दे ऑल आर पीयू पेंट तो वी हैव ट्राई टू मेक इट सटल हम चाहते थे घर बिल्कुल सटल लगे कुछ भी पॉपअप सा ना हो बट वी जस्ट वांटेड दिस वॉल टू बी अ पॉपअप तो अभी मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगी कि किस तरीके से पॉपअप वॉल है first I'll show you this room. This is the office come biker's room. Like it's every biker's dream to have this kind of room. My husband decided to make this room as a biker room. The small office. अभी यहाँ भी काफ़ी space खाली है. As you can see, we can keep our sofa here for like कोई meeting हो छोटी मोटी सी, so we can sit and we can chill around also. It's kind of chill room also. It's not like the office है. Sometime I work here, sometime not. I'll show you the drawing room. So when we enter from here, from this door, when we enter from this door, this is our drawing room. Small Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is a small drawing room which we have created. Actually, ये एक hall था. So हम चाहते थे कि we need a partition. So we created this partition. क्योंकि आजकल सारे पार्टीशन आर लाइक सिमिलर विद द गोल्डन एंड द सिल्वर रेलिंग्स लाइक बट हमें वो सब नहीं चाहिए था तो हम चाहते थे कि एक सिंपल सा पार्टीशन हो विच लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल अच्छा भी लगे और ऐसा ये भी ना हो कि ना एक प्रॉपर उसने वॉल क्रिएट कर दी है वी वांटेड टू सी थ्रू हमें हमें देखना था कि ड्राइंग रूम से क्या दिखाई दे रहा है लाउंज एरिया में ऐसे करके सो वी क्रिएटेड द स्मॉल ड्राइंग रूम I'll show you. So this is sitting of like 5-6 people. 5-6 people can easily sit. And if you can see this chandelier, ये mosaic है. It's very beautiful. The mosaic में light जलती है, mosaic look damn beautiful. I'll show you. Now, I wanted to show you now guest room. Let's come to our guest room. So this is our guest room. This is me. Smile. So ये हमारा guest room है. So हमने इसे बहुत subtle बनाया है. We don't want anything hype in this. So we have just created this wallpaper and a beautiful bed so that whomsoever is coming can chill and relax. And we have bathroom over here with attached guest room. So it's like every room has attached bathroom. so that किसी को बाहर ना जाना पड़े. We don't have any separate. Every room has attached bathroom. Well, let's come to our lounge area. तो हमने से अपना lounge area बनाया. So this is our hall. As you can see this is our hall. तो हमने से अपना lounge area बनाया है. Beautiful lounge area. So we sit here, we chill around, we turn on air purifier. As you can see कितना pollution है यहाँ हमारे Delhi NCR में. Whenever we want to see movie, anything at night, हमें chill करना होता है तो हम यहाँ पे आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. So we have also created one catch, our hidden bar. So we don't want our bar to be seen. So we created this small hidden bar. As you can see, small wines we have like this. You can see the wine. Oh, they are not much wine. ज़्यादा wine नहीं है, but थोड़ी बहुत है. Now see. This is we have kept to put our statues, whatever thing we like, and जो भी हम चाहते हैं बाहर से हम लेके आते हैं. We would like to people to be seeing this. And this is our kitchen. I was cleaning the kitchen, and that is for vegetables and all. And that shutter is for we are keeping our air fryer and all sandwiches बनाने वाला ये सब रखने के लिए. I don't want it to be seen, तो मैंने वो cover करा दिया. This is our fridge, and this is for keeping our small stuff. This is one more chandelier. This is our dining table. So this is Italian marble, which we have created because we have certain specific designs which we wanted. हमें कुछ भी ऐसा डिफरेंट सा नहीं चाहिए था. We wanted everything to be कि जो घर के थीम के साथ मैच करे. Now this is kids room. बच्चों का कलर हम रूम हमने बहुत मिक्स मैच करा हुआ है, लाइक ब्लू के साथ पिंक, because girls like pink. My daughter loves pink and my son loves blue color. तो हम चाहते थे कि उनका कलर मिक्स मैच हो जाए. And this is same like attached washroom, and this is their wall for activities and everything. And there is one more room over here which I'll show you later on, because right now someone is sleeping in that room. So as you can see, this is totally a house tour which I wanted to show you because I love houses. It's not like I love my house. I love everybody house. I wanted to show you how they have created this beautiful. Like someone is creating this beautiful houses. Like what they are thinking behind, and whatever they want. Like उनको क्या चाहिए उस घर से? Because see, house is not something which you want come and live. है House is something which is people are attached way too emotionally. People spend a lot of money, for the beautiful houses they want, and that is more important why people love the beautiful houses. It's like it's a feeling. See, this is pop-up. This is one single pop-up wall which we have created because we want pop-up. I'll show you this is our pop-up. This is this much pop-up we wanted. And this is one more chandelier. This is mosaic. Guys, I must recommend you to buy a mosaic at your house because इसमें बहुत soothing vibe होती है और बहुत अच्छा लगता है when we turn on at night ना, when nobody's there. This mosaic gives you a way too good vibe. See, mosaic is beautiful. So we have these two pop-up factor in our house. हम चाहते थे pop-up हो.